name's Adele from the Sunday People. Our family are reviewing the Panasonic NA-148VX3 washing machine for appliances online. We're a busy family with 2 young children. Our daughter Amber, who's 9, is always changing her clothes, and our son Jacob, who's 2, covers himself with food every mealtime. So you can imagine how much washing we do. The design is really clean, modern and simple, and would fit into any style of kitchen. With a large 8kg drum, it can hold up to 40 adult t-shirts and is perfect for bedding and larger items without splitting the load. It's got the best energy rating available too, to save those pennies. It has an LCD display which is really easy to use, and it shows you the program you're using, the temperature, speed and the time left on the cycle. And it has perfect sense technology and cleverly assesses the wash load to detect the amount of clothes in the drum, and it reduces wastewater to get the best wash results. The 3D sensor wash has small sensors inside and the machine that analyse the movement on the drum, and it distributes the weight accordingly. So if you've got a small baby vest and a large towel, it adjusts the drum to make sure everything gets a thorough wash. With its Hydroactive Plus technology, it has a 5-point multi-directional showers that guarantee efficient washing and rinsing every time. The Eco Cycle takes a little longer but consumes 50% less energy and up to 30% less water. The temperature options are from cold to 90 degrees, so there's something for any type of stain that you have. It has spin speeds up to 1400 RPM. I'm now going to get my little helper to help me put some washing in.
Say hello.
Hello. You're going to help me put some washing in? This is Jacob, my little helper. Come here, look. Put the washing in. Oh, look. Oh, nice clothes. Nice. All dirty clothes. Put them in. Put them in. Put them in. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Push them right in. Sit. And that. Oh. And this. Now then, look. Right. Let's put that in. And what do? We put this in. Put it in there. And we close the door. Yes. Okay. Turn it on. Right. Just a minute. Let's put this in here, look. Watch. In there. Can you push the door closed? Push the door. Good boy. Right, ready? Ready? Now we're going to press start. Look. Now then it's working out how many clothes we've got in there. One. Look. Can you see? Look at that line. It's working it out. It's very clever. Watch. Come in. No, watch. Come in. Come in. Ready? Now then. Now then. Oh, Jacob. Amber's sock. Jacob, we've missed Amber's sock. Get Amber's sock. Where's Amber's sock? We've forgotten a sock, so we're going to pause it. Paused. Doors locked, unlocked. Put that in, sock in. Put that in. Hooray! Hooray! Close the door. Close the door. Ready? Start. Great thing if you forget to put a sock or if something you forgot to put in, you can just pause it. Put it in. Start it again. Really good safety features about this. It's got an auto lock on the door, so once it starts, whilst it's in use, the door is locked. Hello. The other great thing for little helpers. Hello. If you press and hold the child lock, it locks. Gives up a little key. So now, little fingers can't press anything.